Yeah, we can hear you.
We are back, guys.
Wagwan, guys.
Welcome back to another New York live stream. Happy Monday, everyone. Are you guys ready for the new trading week?
No,
No, you're not?
just kidding. I'm ready to get another payout.
Ooh,
Boy.
that's the spirit.
That is the spirit.
What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? How was your weekend? Did you guys have some fun? Did you?
No, I actually had a chill weekend. I was a good boy
Same.
this weekend.
Really? You
Yes, I was.
sure? I don't believe you.
But
I
guys-
do not believe you.
What's good? Drop something in the chat if you're excited for the new trading week. If you're excited to trade the first New York session of the week. Let's catch
On
some
a
dubs.
CPI weekday? On a CPI weekday. On a CPI week.
Let's catch some dub skis.
What the hell? I can't hear myself.
Want some straps?
Yeah, go on Monir's
Sure.
first. Monir, we're gonna get straight into what you guys want to see, the bias for today.
Yeah?
Mainly, we don't trade until
Can we
5:30,
give the thing?
which is New York Stock Exchange Open, which is in about 30 minutes. But we're gonna give the bias. I think Monir might be taking a trade depending on his levels today before
Yeah.
NYSE
Actually,
opens.
let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go on freaking Nasdaq first. Obviously, guys, we had the biggest drop in what? In history? Not in history.
Yes.
Nasdaq history. We had the biggest drop in Nasdaq history,
And
On
fourth
Friday.
fourth biggest ever anywhere.
fourth biggest ever anywhere. Okay. This was 2,000 points, by the way, guys, just for your information. This took 12 days to play out. I counted it. This whole bull run took 12 days to play out and got taken out in a single day. In hours, actually, not even a day, in a couple of hours. Yeah. So, what are we looking for right now? Honestly, I marked out this area right here. The bias for me today is kind of a mixed bias, honestly. We're depending on how it reacts off of this area. So this area is kind of like the 50% of the bearish run that we had, okay? So I want to see how it's going to react off of this area. If it reacts bearish, then probably we are going to be looking for some sells to at least either a retest, all right, or some lows right here, right? Either London lows, or if it goes well, we'll be aiming for Asia lows, depending on how it reacts off of this area first, right? Right now, it's kind of just being bullish. So we are gonna be waiting and seeing what happens. This is the bias for New York. Obviously, Monday and Tuesday are no news days, right? We have no red folder news, so it's kind of dead. So we want to be very extra careful on how we are going to trade, right? This is the bias for Nasdaq. We'll be waiting, hopefully, for 9:30, and then we'll be seeing from there. What's up, Goku? How you doing, man? Welcome back. Now, moving on to gold. We are still in some sideways movement. Okay, we have the same area marked out on gold as well. This is a very interesting area. So we want to see, I'm thinking we're going to be bearish, honestly, for the session. I mean, bullish for the session, right? We are going to be at least trading upwards to hopefully the 50% of this bearish run that we had on Friday. We took out some liquidity. We did not trade lower, so my bias is actually bullish for the session. Now we want to see it at least retrace back into this 15-minute fair value gap that we have right here, right? And then maybe start giving us some bullish movement, and then from there we're gonna start looking for some buys, right? So that's basically the buys for today. So we're bearish on Nasdaq, even though they have been moving the same, by the way, just letting you know. So we are bearish on Nasdaq, bullish on gold for today's session. And yeah, let's actually just mark that out. Just let me know whenever you're ready, Hunter, to start actually.
Yeah, please continue carrying. Sorry, guys, I'm marking my levels for. I haven't been on the charts all day, so I'm marking up my levels.
Right. So
Right now.
we have this interesting area right here. Let's actually go and mark that out on Alpha Trader on our funded account, so we are ready to go. I already have like the Nasdaq stuff marked out, right? We want to see how it reacts off of the midline of this 50%, right? And we're gonna be at least aiming the safest option. If we are gonna be looking for some sells, the safest option or safest TP option would be a retracement to the retracement of like the 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gaps, very high interesting fair value gap areas, right? Now moving on to gold. I think I have my levels marked out on gold as well. Oh, not yet. Yeah.
All right, guys, I'll go to my screen.
I'll mark that gold stuff.
I'll give you my bias. So I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna trade gold today. So I'm just gonna stick to figuring out which levels are gonna be better for the two indices I'm planning on trading, which is gonna be NASDAQ and S&P 500, also known as ES or MES on futures. Of course, I don't really need to explain why we're trading below previous week value area low. Market is bearish. We had one of the biggest drops in history. And funny enough, last Friday when we had that 2,000 whatever point drop, I caught a buy. We caught a buy on that drop when everyone was shorting or should have shorted. So yeah, today, I mean, yeah, it's a tougher day because I can't draw previous day volume levels. So I only really have current developing volume levels and previous week volume levels, which I doubt it's going to go back up to there. So yeah, right now the bias is looking bullish. Could this just be a retracement to go even lower? Maybe. So I would say right now I'm overall mixed bias until NYSE opens.
Till further notice.
Yeah, till further notice. So yeah, ideally right now, even if price is bearish, right, I would wait price to come back down to this level and maybe take a base hit of the upside, maybe of these stacked levels right here, value area high, POC and VWAP. But let's see, and let's see if the market ranges, then this could be good just to take, you know, fades from value area high to POC and value area low to POC, depending on how NYSE plays out. But yeah, we're staying conservative. We're trading on the funded account. I need to get 3 more $150 days to request another payout from this account that I've been documenting every single day on stream. And yeah, that's the plan. And MES is moving the same way. So I'm going to see which levels kind of correlate better and pick my poison. I still need to mark up my MES levels. But you know what? Because we have lots of gold traders here, I'm going to look at gold. I'm going to remove my stuff here. And yeah, gold had a drop as well. If I mark out a overnight open, 6 p.m. right here. Till now, let me zoom in here to get this accurate. Yeah, we're right now ranging right at POC, between POC and value area high, which is right here. Could this be a bullish sign before having a little breakout pop above? Maybe, just maybe. Gold, I mean, it has been ranging, but whenever I notice something like this happens, when you have value area high right here with POC so close together and it's ranging like this, price tends to break out, right? It could break out, sweep maybe some liquidity, go back down, but there could be potential buying opportunities right here, and price might want to move up and might find a higher POC, which is the acceptance of price. So right now with gold, it's in a range, so it's a mixed bias, but there could be some buys right there. But I'm not going to be buying gold. So if you guys have your own bias for it, that's just an extra confluence you can use from my side. We're having this little range right here. Even if you have a price action trade, right?
What about silver, bro? You don't want to trade silver?
Oh, I'm good. That's
sure?
all. That's all you. That's your favorite.
Come on, man.
That's your favorite, man.
Come on, bro. You put me on silver, man.
But anyways, guys, what's good? I see people watching and LARPing in the chat. I mean, LARPing in the views, but You guys aren't saying anything in the chat. What are you trading? Where are you trading from if you're new? What's your name? What's your favorite color? Who's your favorite like rapper or music? Favorite song that came out recently? You know, drop in the chat. I'll tell you mine. I like the new Iceman album from Drake.
Oh,
My favorite
really?
color is black. And I'm in Dubai and I trade NASDAQ and S&P and
That
gold.
is the most boring biography I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah.
Alright. But I trade.
Yeah.
I'm a Drake fan.
Yeah, I'm pretty NPC, right, guys?
Like, actually, bro.
Yeah.
No joke.
Just like this guy's has default emotes, default
What?
sayings. You have default sayings, you know.
Like what?
Can you believe this guy? You see what I have to deal with?
Because they're true.
You see his character.
I got character. Come on.
How do you decide your daily bias? Because on different time frames we see different trends. Okay, so that's why you look at the higher time frame. So if you look at the higher time frame, it's gonna tell you the overall bias. Where is market heading to? Where does it want to go? Where is it going? What is it doing, right? And the more time frame, the less the time frame, the more you get confused, right? So how do I put it in the most easiest way that you could understand is if I go here on the daily time frame, right? Actually, let's go on TradingView. It's kind of faster at the moment. So we go daily time frame, we zoom out, right? Right now, we are overall in a bullish market, right? We're going up. But if we zoom in into this area right here, we could tell that the market is just ranging at the moment. And it's kind of having a bearish bias, right? So right now, if you go in the market today, you're gonna be like, okay, on the daily time frame, it's kind of bearish at the moment. So we are gonna be looking for some sells, right? If I go now to the 5 minute, I zoom out and I see, oh, market just had a market structure shift and now we might be going higher, right? So you try to align the time frames together to give you the best or the same looking bias, where if you're on the daily time frame you're bearish, on the 4 hour you're bearish, on the 1 hour bearish, 15 on bearish, okay, that's a good time to take a trade when the time frames align. And look, let's say for sells, right? But for me, I don't usually look at the daily bias all the time, right? I just usually go from the 1 hour, sometimes the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and then 1 minute, right? The lesser the time frame, when do I use the less time frame, like let's say 1 minute or 5 minutes, is if I'm looking for an entry. That's the best time frame to look for an entry. Some swing traders usually use the 15 minutes and 1 hour to look for entries. But for me, since I'm a day trader, I use the lesser time frame, like 5 minutes, 1 minute, to look for entries.
Yeah. And I have a completely different bias than him. You know, the thing is, it depends on your personality, right? And what you're trading. For me, I only trade on the 1 minute time frame. So even if price is overall bearish, just like, for example, last Friday, right? The market dropped 2,000 points. It was super bearish. I still took a buy in that market because I'm on the 1 minute. So the daily doesn't have an effect on me because my trades are so in and out on the smaller time frame. The daily bias doesn't really matter for me. Of course, it's good if you want to know fundamentals and stuff like that and have an overall just pick on which side you want. Yeah, you can use daily and you can use fundamentals, but to be honest, like, you can still take shorts in a bearish market and you could take longs in a bullish market, but that depends on the strategy you're trading. So yeah, if you are using higher time frames, then yeah, look at I don't know what time frame are you entering on, Ahmed? Like, what's your current trading strategy?
It has to be on a time frame because the convention of
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right now we're just ranging.
Yeah, sorry guys for my freaking glitchy screen. I'm trying to mark my levels. Maybe you want to go back to Munir.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the markets to do something, man. We don't want to be caught up in the range, to be honest. That's why we are waiting for 9:30. It's probably gonna be a dead session, maybe, since we have no news today, no red folder news whatsoever until CPI, which is on Wednesday. And Hunter is ready to full port his funded accounts
No.
on CPI.
We full ported an eval last Friday and that did not go well.
Is it
Not
still
go
alive?
well. Yeah, I got $500 left on it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's why you full port.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
You
Yeah.
can full port the eval.
Hey, you're right. You're right. I'm never full porting fundeds ever in my life.
Don't. It's the worst thing you could ever
Treating
do.
my this funded like a baby right now.
Yeah.
It's only like 2 weeks old. By the way, your strategy episode really helped in understanding the little aspects. You talk about this guy's right here. This guy's strategies episode.
Or like in general.
The episodes.
Yeah, I'll probably
Oh.
think of episodes.
Yeah.
Yeah, every single person trades a different strategy, by the way. And like, if you could see that the strategy really doesn't matter. It's how you try to adapt to the market, right?
It's your personality.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
your personality.
Like every single person has a strategy, right? Like they take like the whole basic strategy, right? And then like you add you add little bits of stuff, you know, from your personality, and then it just becomes your own, right? And he's talking about yours. Do you have a strategy video?
No, I don't have a strategies video. I'm the host in every video, but I don't have my own.
You're not this guy. I'm seeing him for the first time.
Yeah, he's the most. If you guys go check out our YouTube channel right now,
Not most recent, that's
Ollie's gonna drop in the group chat. I mean, in
Learn
the
from him as well.
Ollie's gonna drop in the chat right now on YouTube. You can watch his strategy, and if you want to get more in depth, you can check out his course inside WAYOND PLUS, which his link is in the description. So you can watch the strategies episode. If you want to go more in depth with it, then you could technically buy his course. Thank you for the
Wow.
sponsored message.
So-
But yeah, it all depends on your personality. Like personally with me,
Yeah,
right?
bro.
I used to trade multi time frames, and like sometimes I would confuse myself with entering a trade when I was having to focus on the daily, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minutes. Like I just stick to the 1 minute, man. It's great. It simplifies my trading a whole lot.
Plus, bro, for you,
That
you,
works for me.
you like to be in and out of trades in like 5 minutes, man.
Exactly.
So your way of trading is like you need the 1 minute, bro.
Yes, sir.
Like I wouldn't mind staying, you know, for like 5, 10, 15 minutes, you know, 30 minutes.
I mean, no, I still take some trades on the
Trades.
1 minute where it takes like 30 minutes.
yeah, but
It
when
just
it's not
depends.
volatile, that's you know,
Yeah, it depends.
when the market is like kind of dead, makes sense.
Yeah. What is this?
Yeah, we're just waiting we're 10 minutes away actually from market open. So let's just wait and see what we actually get.
Yeah, ES is looking better, honestly.
No, it's kind of the same, bro.
ES is looking slightly more attractive today than
It's kind of the same.
Nasdaqistan. Wait.
If you go on the 1 hour.
Oh, am I tripping, or is previous week value area low? Dude, look at my screen. Previous week value area low is right there. Compared to NQ, it's like a huge difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a nice stack confluence.
Because you picked last week. We're doing
Yeah.
We were gonna move it to
This is a good
we
thing.
had a
Interesting.
massive push on Nasdaq, but he started dumping.
We're pushing on gold right now, but I would like I said, guys, if anything, I would like to see this happen, right? We're here. I would like to see that we sweep, you know, these lows right here, and then start going back up, just like that. That would be the best case scenario in gold right now, if we're actually trying to move up, right? If we sweep, we end up,
You
you
could
know,
put on
taking...
his screen, Ollie.
Oh, shit. Yeah. What I was saying is this is the best case scenario in gold right now. If this actually ends up happening, we might be looking for a buy to at least Asia highs, right? I would like to see it tap back into this area before taking out Asia highs, because that's our target right now. That's the safest target that we can actually take. We haven't swept these lows, which is kind of a bit concerning, honestly, to take a buy from here, right? We have no confirmation. I would like to see a sweep at least and a tap and then move up. I think we tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap. That's why we got this push. No, not even yet. Not even yet, right? So I would like to see something like this happen at least, hopefully in gold before sweeping or going higher to Asia highs. And yeah, for Nasdaq, we just tapped into the consequent encroachment, which is the CE of the 50-minute gap. We just swept also. We got some bullish momentum or a sweep from ES as well, which hopefully we are going to start getting the freaking reversal now on Nasdaq, at least. So let's see what happens.
Yeah,
Going to
yeah.
be trading on the 50K
6 minutes, fellas.
funded
6 minutes.
today.
Yeah.
We have this 50K funded right now that we're up 2.7, and we need, I caught like a $200 trade just to get the profit day. And tomorrow, if I end up getting another 200 or 150, I kind of forgot like how much profit I need, you know, to on alpha. We will actually end up taking a payout from these accounts that we have been trading live on the stream since we started, right? We will be getting hopefully a payout from this 50K account. We have 5 at the moment, right? So we can't copy trade them since their copy trader is not working yet. It's under maintenance. So we are trading them one by one. So I have to focus on a single account every single time. I can't, like just trade one and get copied on all of them. I'm being very, what's the word? Yeah, I can take one trade on one of them every single day. And that like prolongs the freaking, payout that we're trying to get on all of them. So yeah, hopefully we end up getting a payout from this. Let's see what we get.
Yeah. Ahmed, how long you been trading for, brother? And what got you into trading? Goku, what's going on with you, bro?
Bro, where are the OG? Where's Amazing, man?
Yeah, where's freaking
Where
Jimmy?
is Amazing? Where's
Where's
Jimmy?
Amazing? Where's Palmer?
Cold Palmer. Where the hell is Cold Palmer, man?
Probably sleeping.
Yeah.
Sleeping in.
As we should, by the way, for the freaking for this Monday stream.
Candles.
ba, ba, ba.
Yeah.
Very dead Monday, by the way.
It's gonna be a slow one.
Yeah. We've been just ranging to the upside, which is honestly, to be honest, if you think about it, you would rather have these kind of like charts, you know, which are very easy to read and like you just trade, you know, like you just press buy. Oh, it tapped into a fair value gap. I press buy. Freaking get out after like a And by the way, this move, but guys, just letting you know, this is a 400 pip move. Okay.
Wow.
Might look small to you, but actually, just this
Family guys in the house. What's good, brother?
this small move up right to the 50% is a 400 pip move on Nasdaq. So just keep that in mind when you're taking trades today, guys. That the market is actually moving in huge gaps.
How big are these freaking stickies? Oh,
Yeah.
Small. 11 points. 11 points for that. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, we're taking a little dip.
Yeah.
A little dipstick. That sounds kind of weird.
Dipstick.
Yeah, dipstick. 60 points.
Honestly, we're like 2 minutes away. So I would probably wait till we freaking get like an OST open before taking a trade. Are you looking for buys or sells? You don't have levels up there, so you're gonna wait for market
naked.
to go. Exactly.
I'm naked.
You have no levels up there, man.
No, I mean, I think price is going to come back down to POC, right? So we're trading way above value area high of the current developing. So yeah, I could be looking for some sells back to this area. Back to this area right here.
Holy dump.
MES.
Now, we're probably gonna engulf this 5-minute fair value gap, which is gonna give us actually a confirmation that we might be starting to head lower. We're trading way lower on ES as well. So let's see, we are 5 seconds. New York open, let's see if we actually do engulf. Holy dump. Yeah. So New York just opened. Let's see what we got.
Time to trade, fellas. Time to trade. Let's see what we can cook up.
If we go down to the 1 minute. Yeah. Rather like to wait and see. Go on ES as well.
Yeah, never try to FOMO in NYSE open.
Yeah. It's better to wait, bro. You're like, there's gonna be other opportunities always. Always so many other opportunities, guys.
All right. All right, guys. S&P is getting a nice little push up.
Yeah, same as Nasdaq.
Yeah, I might wait for some volume to build and then draw another profiler. See what price does.
I would like to see an SMT honestly here. Maybe give us a dip. See on gold. Okay, on gold we just pushed the upside. Oops. Yeah, we just got a huge dump on Nasdaq as well.
Yeah,
bro, this dump alone is freaking 70 points, man.
Wow.
70 points. So, yeah, guys, just take care.
Insane.
Yeah.
So what's gonna trigger you in? What's gonna make you put a limit order?
I'll give you that answer in a few. So we're reacting off of a 15-minute fair value gap, right? We engulfed 1 5-minute and we're reacting off of a 15-minute right now. Like I said, guys, I would try to aim for a retracement before going higher.
Do you think overall we're gonna drop more?
Yes.
Like drop below these lows down here at 28,776?
I would say we might be at least, dropping to the 50% of the London push.
But are you overall bullish? Like swing?
Honestly, bro, I have seen this kind of move before. So usually it just continues going back up, to where it left off, where it dropped off.
Oh,
You
yeah.
get me?
Yeah, so you're saying it's gonna push after this big retracement, we're gonna push higher.
It might, yeah. We might see like a push up. Like I've seen a similar push. Wow, bro. Like by the tick, literally. The problem is I didn't get a confirmation to enter. So I'm not gonna FOMO in, honestly. Look at this huge dump, man. Wow.
That's crazy, actually.
Yep. Look at this crazy dump. On ES, we're probably, nope, similar, which is good.
Wow.
Yeah. This would be a good area, honestly, for it to retrace back to.
I might need to take a buy, bro, a limit order buy.
Bro, how about you not rush into anything?
Yeah, no, I still got some time, but this shit's, the way how steep it's coming down, man, I love to get steep tap-ins. Especially we got these stack levels right here.
I'd like to mark this out at least. Wait and see how it reacts off of it. The problem is we could have entered here, honestly, but I wasn't very confident. And I don't like entering at market open. I'd like to give it a few more minutes to actually play out and see where the hell market wants to go. See what's happening on gold. Gold is just ranging in the same area, so we swept these highs. We're just still in the same area. We as well didn't get an SMT. Plus, we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap that we marked out here on NASDAQ, and we haven't tapped it on NASDAQ. That's an SMT. Which actually might give us the potential that might start to reverse now. So let's wait and see. Start going up. Also, market is like moving crazy fast, man.
Yeah. Gotta be very patient.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the new 15-minute candle, honestly, before taking a trade. I'll wait for like 9:45 at least. I get like a clear bias where market wants to go and not be caught in the sweeps and the manipulation
Yep. Wow.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for the
Wow.
for
Yes.
9:45 a.m. New York time. So the new 15-minute candle, and then we might be starting to look for some entries then. But I marked out this area, guys. I marked out this area during London. And can you just appreciate the CE that we tapped right into by the tick, and we got this huge retracement back, which is very nice. Let us just have ES over here just for reference. Gold is pushing up. I'm not gonna be trading gold, to be honest. Like I said, guys, I would like to at least have a retracement back, maybe sweep and then go back up. But other than that, if it's not presenting that, I'm not going to place a trade on that, to be honest. Yeah. Is this ES?
Yeah, it's a yes.
What was that, bro? Damn.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, guys, you see, like I told you guys, I don't want to be caught up in this freaking manipulation, man. I'd like to get a clear bias at least before taking any trades. It gives you this bullish candle, right? And then just ends up reversing. And by the way, guys, just this bullish candle, just this one move alone, so 40, that's 60 points. A 60-point bull candle on the 1 minute time frame. FYI, guys, FYI. Yeah. So just wait a while longer. It's better to be patient than actually FOMO into a trade and then end up losing, right? So we would like to wait it out, see if it respects our areas on the times that we are running for ourselves.
Wow. All right. Take it back to my screen, Ollie. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. Okay. We had NYSE open at 9:30. We're having a steep retracement down back into these levels. Okay. So what I would like to do is if price does want to pull a deeper retracement to this POC and VWAP, I'm going to place an entry limit order right there for 2 contracts. And I think this is a retracement to push higher. So I'm gonna put my stop loss about 10 points and target a 1 to 2 and see if we can catch this trade.
Nice.
And if price doesn't want to pull deeper, then we can think about taking even switching the bias to shorts, right? But this is a steep retracement. It's going to have a pullback. And I believe if the pullback can be either from these 2 stack confluence levels right here or down here.
Nice.
What's your thoughts about that?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe. We're kind of rejecting to actually break these lows right here, which gives us bullish momentum. So tapped into a 5-minute fair value gap, but did not. I mean, sorry, a 1 minute. We tapped into a 1 minute, but we did not come down and break these lows, which means that, okay, maybe we are starting to get some bullish momentum, but maybe I'm wrong. So let's wait and see. Let us wait and see. Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Wow. Dun 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 dun. Bro, I miss playing Mario, bro. I swear, I miss
Bro, I
playing
miss peak Call of Duty era. Modern
Bro,
Warfare 2.
These new gens, bro.
New gens.
Freaking new gens, bro.
Bro,
I used to play fucking
Born the same year.
I still play Call of Duty and I miss that as well and blah blah blah. But I
don't
freaking
miss
miss
Mario that
Mario,
much.
bro. Come on, bro.
Mario?
OG Mario, bro.
Like
Like
the
the
64?
the one who looked yellow, you know?
Yeah, that was fun.
He was yellow and he was so short, he was like this.
And the Mario on the DS was good too. Super
No,
Mario.
bro.
Talking about
PC Mario.
No, I know, no. Nintendo 64 Mario.
No, we're talking about NES.
Yeah. Like
Who?
PC Mario. Like, you know, you
Yeah,
used to
so
play it
like
on
NES.
PC instead of like Nintendo.
Entertainment Systems, the first Nintendo console ever created.
Yeah.
Nintendo 64.
No, it's NES. Nintendo 64 had 3D graphics.
Oh.
We're talking way.
Yeah, I know.
before
It's
our
like
generation.
a flat, like
Yeah.
barely see the eyes. Yeah, I know what you mean. I
Okay,
know what
guys.
you mean, bro.
So we are 1 minute away from getting our new 15-minute candle.
So you're looking for buys?
Right now, at this moment, maybe. Because we just engulfed this whole bullish move and we tapped back into it before we even get the new 5-minute, 15-minute candle, which is very annoying because the moves are happening way before our like entry time, which is very annoying sometimes. But like I said, guys, no FOMOing in. Okay, we just got the new 15-minute candle. We're gonna go back to the 1 minute. Oh my god, this takes so long. I might be looking for actually a buy right now, guys, over here at this area, exactly where my SL is gonna. Oh my god, this is gonna look so ugly. But I would like to wait for it to retrace at least a bit lower. Yeah, right there. Okay, I just placed a buy, guys. My SL is gonna go way down at this candle right here. My TP, I'm probably gonna be aiming for a 1-to-1. Almost, but like these highs at least.
He's going big.
Yeah.
He's
So,
going big.
this was my entry exactly. My SL is gonna be below these. And I think it's gonna be to a 1.5, yeah. That's the one. This is the safest TP option that I see right now. Right, and safest entry as well. Since we ended up inversing this 1 minute, it gave me the momentum that, okay, maybe we're gonna start going higher. Now, once we break this high, hopefully, I'm gonna start trailing my SL to these candle low to minimize the risk that I'm taking, at least. Okay, because like I told you guys, market's kind of being very volatile and very wick aggressive at the moment. So I would like to at least minimize my risk. Also, the 5 minute is not working on Alpha Trader apparently, so we're just gonna go back to 1. 5 minutes is just not moving, it's just paused. So let us just go back. So once we break, hopefully, I would like to look at ES as well.
Some way to get triggered into.
I'd like to look at ES as well, to be at least on the safe side. Yeah. You see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. These kind of like candles where like they just rush out of nowhere, appear out of nowhere, are not very pleasant for my eyes. I would like to avoid them. So, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, if you guys are new to the stream, be sure to hit that like, subscribe button. We go live every single day, Monday through Friday, for New York.
New York.
Shout out the Knicks.
New York. Why does he sound British? Oh my God.
New York accent.
New York.
No.
That sounds British a little bit.
It does, right?
A little bit.
It's not me. It's not just me.
My bottle of water.
Wow.
Where you guys from? Where you guys from? What are you guys trading today? Yeah, a lot of people.
We are in. We are trading drawdown. That's what we're trading right now. That's what we are trading right now.
Your
We're trading
SL
drawdown.
is my entry again.
No, it's not.
Well, I'm on ES, but like,
Yeah, it's not.
I want the market to pull down, baby. I want to pull down. Come on.
Yep. This is what I would like to avoid. These type of candles.
You don't need to happen.
These types of candles, guys, that we would like to avoid. Dun, dun, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, dun, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, dun. Did we break the low on ES? No. That's probably gonna be SL. We were. Yeah, the market is being very zesty at the moment.
Zesty.
Zesty markets, guys.
Did you hit SL?
No, not yet. We're getting tickled.
Getting tickled by the market.
Getting tickled by the market.
Was this a lower high to create the lower low, or is this are we gonna create the higher low right now?
I do not know, my friend. Sometimes these markets, they just play with you, right? You try to do your best to read
You're the
them,
best.
and to the best of your abilities.
Keep you down.
But
You're the best.
sometimes they just play with you, right?
Nothing gonna ever keep you down.
Let's see. Hopefully we end up on, we inversed.
We inverse the inverse.
We inversed the inverse candle that we went off of.
Marbe. What's good? What's good? What's good?
And this
Alpha
is,
Trader works in trading view?
No.
Question mark?
Adds delay.
Adds delay. You're the best around. Nothing gonna
Yeah.
keep you down.
So, and
Ollie? Uh-oh.
SL, guys.
Uh-oh,
Right there.
he hit SL. You know what that means? You know what that means? Put your hands behind your back. You gotta put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Oh my God, bro. What
You're under arrest. SL police. He's going to jail.
Yeah.
Now your bail is another trade.
Yep. Can you keep it, please? Okay, just keep it. Okay. No. Keep it on my charts.
Keep on your chart.
Yeah.
Why?
I want to see this. Bro, we literally tapped my SL
I will,
I will buy.
in.
For sure, man. Try it out.
You savage, Marvin. Yo, hold up. I'll put
Try
on
it
my
out.
screen. I'm waiting. This is MES, by the way. I am waiting for price to take a little deeper sweep back to this VWAP and using POC as my area of support to help support the bias. If it breaks through that, then I'm wrong.
But
I think we're gonna have some support at these two levels stacked up right here. Let me see what price is doing actually. Damn. Goku, I'm waiting for London session 15-minute fair value tap in to take buys. I see. That's on gold? Is that on gold, Goku? Is price going back up?
yeah.
Damn!
Yeah, I should have. I
Thank
think
you.
I might have. I think I should have had a wider SL because literally it tapped me by the tick. Look at this.
Ouch.
By the tick. That's the worst feeling anyone could ever have, by the way, guys. Is when you get tapped and then moves straight to your TP. Should have had a wider SL, but it's okay since our bias is in a way correct.
Uncle Trump is tough today.
Yep.
Yep, it's okay. It's okay.
Um,
If we break these highs, it could be interesting. I'm still waiting for a little bit of a pullback, honestly. Still waiting for a pullback.
down, chow, chow, chow.
Would it feel better if this goes back and creates a lower low?
Would it feel better? What?
If this goes back to create a lower low?
It's going to go higher. We just got we're almost at the new 5-minute candle, which we just popped up. We kind of like,
Yeah, that zone you have marked there, right? On the 5 minute. You think price will go back? Oh, that's on
all the way down there,
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I don't think so because we already tapped on ES. I don't think it will go back. And I'm thinking of taking another buy, honestly, here. That's if we, I don't want to rush
for it.
into it. I would like to actually wait a little longer and
Go for
see.
it.
Let's go on the 5 minute over here. Hopefully it works okay, thank God. I don't want to rush into any trades. Yeah, we might be going lower, by the way.
Yep. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, market is just, I don't know, it's being weird right now. It's moving sideways. It's a Monday, so it's expected.
Oh. Man, I need that freaking. I need some caffeine in my life. Some caffeine.
Did you order coffee?
No. don't have time. Christopher. Never mind. I was gonna ask him to go to the market. You gonna take another buy?
Honestly, no. Not in this area, at least.
All right,
in this
guys,
area
go to
right
my
now.
screen then. We're still being patient. We're patiently waiting to get tapped in here. Patiently waiting.
Whoa, you're waiting for that?
That's too low, in my opinion.
I thought it was the other one.
Say what you want.
We'll be back next week when it gets that done.
Hey, with these markets, we're moving pretty freaking volatile. Don't deny it.
Candle open, guys. Can enter the trade.
Look at this. Come on, guys. Look at this. This is the area of support right here. This is an important level.
My 5-minute candles are not working.
If we're gonna break through this cleanly, can get tapped in.
Oh, what the?
One contract right there. What a rejection here. What a rejection here, fellas.
We are almost.
Maybe that's what I need. Maybe I need to just get tapped into a trade. Because we live life. Live life by every trade. Live life one trade at a time. It's been a whole 70-something hours.
Uncle Trump. Uncle Trump. Please let us win today. Uncle. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
It's a meme.
Uncle. Uncle.
Yes, it's coughing into his microphone.
Yeah, and it sounds really good, sir.
You're whispering.
All right, guys.
We just tapped the area, our area at least. Okay, so.
Whoa, hold on. This is my time to shine.
Far.
What do you mean?
What do you mean I'm
You
far?
raised the freaking limits.
I didn't raise. I'm just
You
putting
didn't.
one. I'm just putting one there just in case I get one in. But I want to. This is scaling.
Well, you are gonna get that at least, you know, baby. Uncle.
Come on. Get wider SL. Ooh.
Are you on Anchor? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Uncle.
Oh, you have more structure there.
Just liking my mojo. Now I'm feeling the
You
vibes.
are liking your mojo.
Feeling the vibes.
Mojo Jojo?
Feeling the vibes.
Mojo Jojo. You know who's Mojo Jojo, right?
Yeah, from Powerpuff Girls.
Freaking love that guy, man.
It's kind of like
His name, yeah.
Me? No.
Freaking brainless monkey, man.
Mojo Jojo.
Mojo Jojo.
Look at
Bro,
that.
we're reminiscing today, guys.
Look at that. I was right? Always a reaction off. these stacked levels, which you can catch a quick scalp, quick base hit. Hoping we create another
Okay. Let's start looking for another entry, guys. The problem is if we engulf this, that's not gonna be a good thing because that would be a crazy 100 pip stop loss.
Should do 10 maybe 10 macros.
I will do it.
What do?
I will do it. Stop. Do not entice me.
Sorry, I was thinking of him.
Mojo.
Guys, should we start calling Hunter Mojo Jojo? What do you guys think? I think it's a beautiful idea, honestly. I'm gonna start calling you Mojo Jojo from today
Tell
on.
me whatever you want.
You see?
Mojo Jojo. Call me Mojo Jojo, call me Daddy.
Yo,
I was
chill.
gonna say that. I knew.
Like, ew. You know? Ew.
Brother, ew.
Brother.
Good.
That is actually a very good potential move, but bro, I'm not liking the markets today, bro. This is one of the days that you should be a bit impulsive on your entries because you will not get a second chance. The market is moving too fast. Yeah. Okay. Mojo Jojo. Okay. Are you close to your entry? Or no?
It's coming back down. It's coming back down. It is coming back down. It is coming.
Not funny.
Why wasn't that funny? Just saying. It is coming.
Oh, Mojo Jojo, shut the fuck up. I would like to see an SMT happen here where NQ, yes, breaks this low where ES does not. That would be a good bullish sign.
Good thing is gonna NQ INS.
So I'd like to see NQ actually break this low, sweep
I'd
it,
like to see him get triggered.
and yeah, I would like to see NQ break this low, sweep it, and then start moving up, giving us that V-shape recovery to the upside. So let's actually just wait and see if that actually happens.
I've been waiting.
And obviously we just
All
freaking
session.
move 30 points, you know, with one candle, and then back down again.
I've been waiting. All session. Yeah.
Yep. That's 30 points right there, guys, from the beginning of this candle to the top. Brother.
Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Wow. The market is not giving us any confirmation entries at all.
Oof.
This is what a no news, no trading Monday looks like.
Stop being so pessimistic, man. This is what a trading Monday looks like.
Okay, Mojo Jojo.
You already took a trade.
Yeah, I know. I shouldn't have, but I did. Sadly.
You should have.
Huh?
It's a part of the journey. Do you think that that trade was already written in script? Or do you think it's a decision you made? Was the decision already made before today for you to take this trade today? Since the day you're born? Do you think that decision was already made?
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly.
You're not making any sense. Well, what the fuck is this? Mojo Jojo, shut the fuck, bro. I'll slap you with my mouse. Swear. Fuck Mojo Jojo, bro. What are you?
Okay, bro.
Bro, why are you trying to act so wise, bro? What the fuck are you saying? Anyway, guys, I'm going to be placing a trade right here. I'm actually gonna place a buy limit. Sorry.
Just gonna pull deeper.
Buy
Pull
limit.
deeper.
Okay, bro. I have reduced my risk, guys.
No trading.
Placing.
It's a no trading Monday.
Yeah, bro, it's fine, bro.
No
It's
trading.
freaking. It's an eval. It's not an eval.
Yeah, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here.
It's not an eval. It's a funded account, guys. But yeah, I have reduced my risk, placing my stop loss at this low right here, exactly. Right. Aiming for these highs right here. No, actually, we're gonna go for these highs right here. That's where our final TP is going to be. Obviously, once we start engulfing these, we are going to start trailing our SL and going higher and higher. Okay.
Boy's going for a home run today.
We have reduced the risk to, so the first trade we took 3 contracts. Now we are taking 2 contracts, lesser risk, but hopefully higher reward. We got stopped out on the first trade. Now let's see how will this play out. We got our confirmation that market might want to start going higher. So let's see what we actually get of this. Yeah. If we get stopped out at this trade, guys, we are done for the day.
I'm not done for the day.
For me, my rules are 2 trades. If both stop losses, we are done. No more trading whatsoever. Obviously, we take a dub, and that's gonna be it. That's it. My rules are 2 losses, we stop trading. 1 win, we stop trading. So let's see how this plays out. We are in profit right now, up to 200, but we are decreasing that very, very aggressively at the moment. I want to check on gold, honestly. Wow, gold's actually approaching our area. That's nice. Let's see what it actually does here. If I told you guys, if it taps over here, I'm not going to be trading, obviously, since I'm already in a trade. So this is an interesting area, honestly, in gold. Let's see what Nasdaq ends up doing. That has been trading very weirdly, by the way. Like it goes down and then goes up fully, you know, and then goes down and then goes up fully. This is just weird, man. It's just moving very weird today. But yeah.
Man. Nice cold beer sounds so good right now.
What?
I was thinking about.
Okay, Mojo Jojo. Shut up. Watch my trade play out. And miss your entry.
I'm being so patient.
You know?
Being so patient. Disciplined.
Watch my trade play out and miss your entry.
Don't get too cocky.
And aim for TP.
Don't get too cocky.
No. Just kidding, guys. Just
Perfect,
chill,
perfect level of confluence.
wait, relax, see what market does. Obviously, we're getting a green candle and a bear candle. Green, bear, green, bear, green, bear, bear.
Yeah, that looks like blue and black.
Yeah, it looks.
Guys, can you not judge me for the chart colors, please? This is what I can see, right?
Judging your chart.
I have fixed.
I was judging your speech.
Oh yeah,
What's your favorite color? Bear.
bear, green, bear.
What is your favorite color?
Me? Red.
Yeah. Red?
Yeah. That's why it's heading to my SL right now.
Why don't you make your charts like black and red?
Black and red hurts the eyes. I tried it.
Black and yellow, black and yellow. That'd be sick. Sick color.
Yeah, bro. Why don't you try it out?
Okay. I like my pink. My pink candlesticks.
Wow.
What is it? It's a isn't it a Teletubbies name? Like Pinky, Pinky the Winky?
Pinky the Winky. Wow, guys. Mojo Jojo. Shut up. Bro, it's Tinky Winky. Yeah.
Tinky Winky.
Tinky Winky. Yeah.
Is that the red one?
Dipsy. La la la. What was the other one?
Oh,
Po.
Oh, I like
Yeah.
the red one with the circle.
Yeah.
He was a bit weird, but he was cool. It would be like the small one.
Do you
just
remember the
chilling.
vacuum?
That scared the shit out of me, bro. Like it was like.
It comes.
this broadcast.
I don't know, bro. Fucking Mojo Jojo. Green and bear.
Yeah, let me look
And
that
now
up.
freaking Teletubbies.
I want to say, God,
Dude, I would live.
It was never on the rail.
Honestly,
What?
yeah. this
Freaking bro, the vacuum
my-
was freaking insane, man.
Look at
Bro,
this.
look at
You guys
this.
Remember this?
Look at this, bro. Imagine being high and looking at this, bro.
I've been
Bro,
on
this scared the shit out of me when I was
Bro.
a kid. That's
Bro,
why I was scared
oh.
of vacuums as a kid.
I've been on
Bro, and watch Teletubbies. Bro, what if the vacuum comes up? Then what?
Bro, I would.
it. Makes it better.
You guys,
No, bro,
you guys ever
like,
seen
come on.
those? You guys ever see
I
those?
don't understand.
You guys ever see those Instagram reels where it's like, you would die in war, you know, and like you're going on your last breath? I would die here. I would for sure die here. My last breath. Anyways, let's see what price is doing.
Let's not see what price is doing.
It's a barcode.
I swear, bro, I don't. The trade idea is there. The confluences are there.
Maybe more patient.
Um,
Your patience is in there.
No, my patience is
Yes.
there.
Yes, trade it.
I waited for the first. I got the first confirmation. I entered. I was wrong. Now we are getting a second
But
confirmation.
you see my confirmation.
Bro, we trade different strategies. What the hell are you on about? Mojo Jojo. Shut up.
But how many times can you guys, can you please give the audience $1 every time you say Mojo Jojo?
Okay. Mojo Jojo. Stop. You're gonna be giving them $1, not me.
I don't mind the name. It's just like, it's repetitive.
Okay. So,
It's not nicknames, well, generally.
okay, we are getting a huge dip right now. Tinky Winky. Yeah. What the hell? No internet connection, guys.
Boom.
Damn. Please check your network. What happened?
So not gonna trigger a stop loss.
Yeah. We are void. Oh, okay. In the meantime, guys, let's have fun. Dun, dun, dun.
Mine's working.
Look. Shit. Site can't be.
If I
we're
get
back,
entered
we're
in,
back,
you're
we're
you're
back,
out.
we're back, we're back,
No,
we're
no,
back.
no.
We're back. We're back. We are back. We are back.
You get some water.
We are back, baby. Okay. Damn, that looks scary, bro. Freaking these candles don't play around, man. I swear, bro, we're like 465. Freaking 80 points. 80 points, guys. This move was 80 points.
Looking for. Oh,
If you guys hear this, I think you guys know what this is.
wow, that water is great.
Winky, winky.
We're in another rejection at this stacked level right here.
Why should we don't?
I'm just following my rules
He
today.
is being patient.
I'm
Mojo
trying to go
Jojo.
for a little bigger reward.
Mojo
yeah,
Jojo.
You could have caught how many points is this, right? Even if you want to go like
Bro, today it's a lot of points. Trust me,
Big
like no
points.
matter what move you get, it's crazy
this
amount
one
of points.
was 15 points, yeah, 15 point. You could have taken it up to like
15
a 17
points.
point trade.
Can you check Nasdaq? That's way more than 15 points, man. Are you on Nasdaq?
No, this is
MES.
MES. It's different. Like this is 60 points with just 12 points.
It's different?
No,
Really?
made you flinch.
Oh my god. Mojo Jojo. Chalo. Yeah, market is being very weird today, guys.
Patiently waiting for this tap in, boys.
Bro, I just remember one of the memes. It actually it starts like that. You know, there's a guy singing the Teletubbies song. That's what I heard, you know, the freaking. Just remember. Damn. Yeah.
Oh.
We engulf this 1 minute. Engulf this 1 minute. But market does not want to go our way today. Does not want to respect our areas of interest. Sadly. Well, let's see. Like I said, guys, if it's a sell, I will be done for the day. Hunter will take it from there. Sorry. Mojo Jojo will take it from there. Bro, I'm really liking this new name of yours, man. Actually. Seriously, yeah. Mojo Jojo. We just got the new 5-minute candle, which we got a huge push up with no wick to the downside, which is not a good sign, by the way, guys. Just letting you know. We need to wick at least a bit lower and then go up. So, not nice. I would like to have a wick below and then move up rather than just to move up straight away. What did I?
This guy's being more fucking zesty than a lemon.
Bro, just let me sing my childhood, man.
Yeah, why are you singing it like that?
Bro, because there's a meme. There's a guy who sings it like that. It's funny. Yep.
Oh.
That's a bearish candle if I've ever seen one. Oh. I don't know if you guys heard that. Did you hear that? No, shit, I just cracked my neck. It's crazy.
You got cracked?
Oh. Yeah, I cracked you.
She's a maniac, maniac on the flow.
What was that song? Oh, Running Man.
Running Man.
Yeah.
Which one?
I forgot it. How does this start?
We'll finish.
Yeah.
Can I have some nuts?
Of course you can. Of course you can have some nuts.
This is a sponsored message.
Of
My
course you can have
best
some nuts.
salted peanuts.
Yeah, guys, market is being very ugly today, guys. How are you liking them nuts?
I like nuts in my mouth. I dropped a nut.
Trying to keep my composure, guys. What was the song? Bro, can we start moving up, man? Enough.
The
Vamos.
second L always hits differently than the first L.
Anyway, guys, so looking at this trade, we're just gonna ignore Mojo Jojo. And yeah. Can we check on gold? How is gold doing?
Following your drawing.
It is, at least. That's a freaking nice thing. Yeah, Nasdaq has lost all its momentum, honestly. I think during the London move that we had, like Asia and London, this was like a huge move, right? This was like what?
That was crazy.
600 pips. More than 600. Almost 700 pips. This move alone, right? That's a huge.
Money
Yeah,
might get
it's
saved.
going up. It's going up. So this move alone is a huge move. That's why you can feel like there is no kind of momentum during New York right now, where we're just freaking going sideways, you know, and wicking each other out. What I'm gonna do here is actually start. And honestly, let's do this so that we're more clear. If we engulf and close below this, we are gonna start trailing our SL to break even. So let's do that. BE. For now, since we broke through this high, I'm gonna be trailing my SL to this low exactly here, to this candle, right? To minimize the risk that we have on. That's where SL is gonna be. Let's move that to here. And also give it a little bit of room to breathe, right? We don't want to put it exactly at this low because we don't know what the hell market wants to do right now. With these stupid freaking candles that it has going on. Ugh.
Excuse me.
Just got the new 5-minute candle. We're kind of extending downwards. Hopefully, that's a good sign and bullish momentum that we're gonna start extending to the upside. Like I said, guys, whenever like a huge candle opens, if you're going bullish, you would want to see the candle open, go lower, and then start going higher instead of just open and then go higher. And then there is no wick below the candle. That gives you a little bit of confirmation that maybe, okay, the candle might want to reverse and go like against you, right? So always, whenever like a huge candle opens, like a 5-minute, 15, 1 hour, we'd rather want to see the candle open. Now I'm looking for buys, right? I would rather want to see the candle open, go lower, and then start going higher. Okay, now we're gonna be trailing our SL fully to these lows over here, minimizing the risk we have on. So basically, we're almost break even, right? We have $62 of risk to make 800. So I would count this as break even, guys, right? So we're basically in a risk-free trade. I would like to like to check on ES as well before, so that we don't get any SMTs that will go against our way. Hopefully we'll be aiming for these highs right here. And also I like to put my TP at the bodies instead of the wicks, because sometimes market tends to edge you. It doesn't play out your way. That's safer for me, at least, you know. I don't like to exactly put it at the wick. Okay. Just go check on NASDAQ as well. The reason we're rejecting is because of it's in the same area. Gold. Right, now, yeah. Let's just wait and see how this will play out.
It's looking good so far for you.
Honestly, it's not gonna look good until you hit TP. Mojo Jojo, please. That's an aggressive dump. Dun 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 dun. What we're gonna do is, I'm thinking of actually, problem is I'm scared, man. Alpha Trader will just shut down if I do this. Yeah, just scared if Alpha Trader just shuts down, bro, if I do this. So that we have like ES to our side. Problem is if I put 5 minutes, it's not gonna, let's stick to the 1 minute. Okay, so the highs are fully here. We have these highs, which are close by. Hopefully, I would like to see them taken out together at the same time. That would be like, that will give me a good confirmation that, okay, we're gonna start going higher. Tinky Winky.
Don't touch me like that, bro.
Bro, you were just speaking about nuts. What do you mean, man? Come on.
Not like that, bro. Take it easy.
Guys, Hunter is not confident with his masculinity.
Oh, I'm more than confident with masculinity.
Yeah, he's not confident with his... Mojo Jojo.
I'm a feminist.
What does that have to do with anything?
Yeah, he doesn't understand the words he's saying.
I gave a side eye, by the way. You just can't see
You
my
know,
eyes.
it's really important. After you give a side eye, you turn to the person and say, I gave you a side eye. That's what makes it
No, and gives, and he gives side eyes while wearing glasses, you know? So, of course, you know, we should be
What
able
does
to
it matter?
friggin', exactly, we should be able to see through the glasses, you know, that he actually gave me a side eye.
Can we do this twice as well?
No, of course
I'm
not.
gonna get a different pair of skis.
Okay, guys, we are moving higher. So our bias is correct. We just couldn't get the perfect entry. So that teaches you that even if you are wrong on the first trade, your overall bias might be correct. You just couldn't get the best entry, let's say, in a way, all right? The reason why we're getting this dump is because we got an SMT over here. We broke these highs, where on ES we did not. And we are close to breaking these highs, which we are not even close to on ES, which kind of like, sometimes this gives me like an annoying an annoying bias where I would want to honestly maybe close my trade, to be honest. Yeah. Especially with these markets being very zesty, like Hunter.
Look.
Incredible work.
I want to see how bullish this candle is going to be on ES before closing fully, maybe over here.
Wow.
Let's just see. Let's give it a while longer. See how it plays out. Sorry.
Man, I waited for so long. Didn't get anything.
We did not break through these highs yet. Being very annoying. Going to trail my stop actually above this high where we literally are risk free at the moment. We are fully risk free. Oh, they can't even see my shit. Wait, let me do this. Let me do this. This is better for you guys. Let me do this. You could have told me, by the way. I didn't know.
Something like that. But they can see the.
Yeah, it's still, this is better. They can see like everything, you know, the numbers, the entry stuff. Damn, this is so weird. I never had like the trade, you know, be on this side of the screen. It's always on the right side. But my face, actually Hunter's ugly face was covering the PNL.
That's not what your mother said.
Why would you say something like that, man?
I can't believe you said that. That's much Jojo. It's not Hunter.
Yeah, sorry, Mojo Jojo. Don't be stupid, Mojo Jojo. Think
You
before.
watch your mouth.
Think before you speak, man. Mojo
Watch your
Jojo.
mouth.
You have a huge brain. You should think before you speak. Yeah. Which is apparently useless.
Don't think the camera, think the judge.
Think, hey, no. Think the book, not hey. Just don't do it. Shit. Don't do it. Okay, guys, we're getting beautiful bullish momentum right now, which is giving me the confidence to keep our TP and actually not touch anything. Which is actually giving me the confidence to do that. So let's see. So we have a drawdown of 400, right? That we took on the first trade. We are in drawdown right now, 400. The most reasonable thing to do is actually to trail the stop to 400. And I want to see where that is exactly. No, that's too much. That's too much of a trail.
Forget
guys.
about it.
Forget about it. So we're gonna be trailing it to $200. That way we're gonna be minimizing the amount. If it was way lower, I would have done that. But I just wanted to see where $400 is. So in that way, now we are minimizing the risk that we took on the first trade and minimizing the stop, basically, right? At least we'll be down. If market ends up actually coming back all the way here, we'll be down 200 instead of 400 on the day. And that's how you kind of manage trades, guys, right? Anyway, which is, I think, is one of the most important things as well in trading, is managing risk. And we are almost at TP. Don't edge us.
You know what to do.
Don't.
You know what to do, Ollie.
Don't.
Wow.
Full
Bravo.
TP, guys. What a trade. What a bias. What an entry. And what management skills with Mojo Jojo just right next to us. In the flesh. TP. Amazing, guys. So, just a full trade recap, right? We took an entry over here, right? Aiming for these highs. We got stopped out, we got swept, liquidity, right? And we stuck to the same bias because we had a very interesting area right here, which we tapped into, and then we started giving some bullish momentum, right? Now, our entry was a peak entry, honestly, over here. We waited for the market to actually give us the confirmation that, okay, it might want to start going higher. So we waited for that. We set a limit right here. We got tapped. Our stop loss was right here. And we just waited the trade out and aimed for the same exact first TP, right? And we took 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 in profit, and we ended up making back what we lost on the first trade and as well some, right?
How much you make today?
And we made $400 today on that trade, on the second trade. It was 800, but since we took a first loss, we made back the 400 that we lost, and we made 400 extra.
400 is 400,
Yeah.
man. That's great.
So I'm done for the day. Like I said, 2 trades a day, and I'm done.
Yep. Honestly, guys, if I'm gonna get triggered, it's gonna
Hunter.
take too long. I'm probably gonna cancel these orders because I think I missed a move. Which, you know, if I were to look back at this, right, I wanted to play a little bit safer by having a deeper retracement, but these 2 stack levels did play a role perfectly. And look at that, easy way up. So yeah, we're gonna call that a wrap for the stream. We took a dub. Munir led the way today. Nothing wrong with not taking any trades from my end. I might take a trade late in New York, but that's gonna be off stream. So we'll keep you guys updated for next time. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you did enjoy this live stream. And we'll catch you tomorrow for another New York session.
Thank you, guys.
Take it easy.
Take care. Thank you, Mojo.